Cash App Card at Store. In this video, we are going to learn how to put money on Cash App Card at Store. So let's get started. Visit a participating 11 store. Find a retail location that supports Cash App Card reloads. This can include popular retailers like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, and 7-Eleven. Among others, you can check the Cash App website or app for a list of supported locations. First, visit the store, go to the selected store where you plan to read your Cash App card. Next, bring your Cash App card with you. Visit the cashier or customer service desk and let them know that you would like to load money onto your Cash App card. Provide the necessary information and follow their instructions and provide any required information. Then provide cash or payment method. You will need to provide the cash or another accepted payment method such as a debit card to the cashier. Let them know the amount you want to load onto your Cash App card. Then complete the transaction and load the specified amount onto your Cash App card. After that, once the transaction is complete, double check the amount loaded onto your Cash App card and ensure it matches your intended amount. The cashier should provide you with a receipt for the reload transaction. Check your Cash App balance. After reloading, you can check your Cash App balance to confirm that the funds have been successfully added to your card. That's all. That's how you can put money on Cash App card at store.